WiFi switch。一层 manual， 二层 screws， 一 capacitance。For safety, please shut off the power before installation. Neutral wire must be connected. Connect the live wire, light wire, and neutral wire. For this wiring method, capacitor is not required. The capacitor must be connected to L1 and neutral wire. Neutral wire is not required. Installation, don't forget to turn on the power. Test the light, touch the button to start working. Turn on all connected lights. Turn off all connected lights. Countdown. Turn on the lights. Regularly turn on the lights. Turn off the backlight. Turn on the backlight. Alex, turn on the living room's light. Okay.